Actually, I got this. Airpods Pro second generation. So the seal has been broken already. Okay, but we don't know what's inside. Let's open it. Okay, so unboxing is quite smooth. Some paperwork here. Okay, so okay, instructions. Okay, here's the thing. Okay, let's keep this aside for a while. Let's see what's inside. Okay, and there it is, the cable. Okay. Oh, okay. The air inlets, I guess. What's this called? I don't know. With different sizes, 3 pairs. Okay. Column. Okay. Nice. Pull tab. Okay. Here's the pull tab. Here. Okay. There's already one set here. Right, left. It's quite heavy. Okay. Charging port. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in Vietnam. Okay, loophole ni record ल केबल त अब
केबल किन्नै नपर्ने
केबल चाहिँ किन्न नपर्ने रहेछ
टाइप सी केबल
टाइप सी टु टाइप सी
नदिने यसमा चाहिँ